What dopamine seems to be important for with respect to food is two things. One is the motivation to engage in work to get food, particularly when it's high levels of effort. So dopamine is important for energizing action and motivating you to engage in hard tasks. The other thing that dopamine is really important for is learning. And it's important for learning about which cues predict something useful for the body. And feeding is a central example of that. And what that paper of ours is about is the idea that this learning actually happens on two different time scales for two different kinds of cues. So what we almost always talk about with dopamine and learning, which is important, is learning about how external cues in the environment predict something like food availability. So you see a McDonald's sign and that means there's some tasty food in there. And so dopamine is involved in that process of sort of learning what that external cue means. And that's a very fast timescale process.